The health condition that happens currently in the world is the transformation and change of many complaints of infectious diseases that becomes non-infectious or mental disorder accompanied by other disease. It is caused by several factors such as lifestyle, people's behavior, and the lifestyle value content itself. Mental health problems does not only have an impact on the health sector but also on the everyday life, such as risking crime, the divorce rate, the rate of violence against children, unemployment, etc. The background studies on mental health originated from a concept of contemporary psychology, psychoanalysis, behaviorism, and humanistic have not been able to solve human problems related mental health. The cause of all this is lack of religious elements in their theory. In understanding this human psyche as whole resulted in still many people who suffered this. Method of mental health care. Happiness is a condition of mental that is calm, serene, peaceful, pleasure of the self, and the gratitude on the ordinance of God. If you do not achieve these conditions, it means you have not achieved happiness yet, but only limited success. It is as what the Prophet Rasulullah said, among a person's happiness is his willing against the ordinance of God, and between the suffering of the children of Adam are unwilling on the choice of God, and between the suffering of the son of Adam is his anger against the ordinance of God. So the people who are happy do not only have abundant wealth, but he also has a mental and physical health, safe, prosperous, peaceful, and happy, free, and independent life. There are three methods in the maintenance of the mental health. First, Imaniya method. Iman is literally interpreted as a sense of security and trust. Those who believe in God will have a calm soul in facing all the problems in life, and his attitude is full of the belief of God. Faith motivates individuals to always live in a healthy physical and spiritual condition. Second method, Islamiya method. Islam has three meanings, namely the submission, peace, and security. 7. Who is submissive, obedient, and surrender wholeheartedly to the laws and rules of Allah, his life will be safe and peaceful, which eventually gives safety of life in the world and hereafter. Third method, Ihsaniya method. Ihsan literally means good. People who are good is a person who know good things. He can apply it in life and with good intentions.